Hi guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are here as well with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails, and today we're gonna have fun with some new Madam Glam polishes. I will show you swatches and we are gonna do an easy Mother's Day nail art. If you want to see that, just stay tuned.
Introduction.
Catherine from Madam Glam has sent me some gorgeous polishes for review. Thank you so much, Catherine. And they are perfect spring colors, and we are having Mother's Day coming up. So they are also perfect for Mother's Day. I already said it in the introduction that I'm gonna do an easy nail art for Mother's Day. The reason for that is Madam Glam has a special sale on the 10th of May, so a couple of days before Mother's Day, and I have a 40% discount code will be in the description box below. Also the links to all these polishes that I'm gonna show you right now. I have swatches and I show you how I did this gorgeous but easy nail art for Mother's Day. Let's start with the swatches. We have cream polishes, one glitter polish. They are all soak off gel polishes. And I'm gonna start with this Soft Dream. This is a really pretty pink with a slight blue shimmer in it. Very pretty. Here you can see it on the swatch and how it would look on my nail. Here we go. Very pretty. All these polishes are cured 2 minutes under UV or 30 seconds under LED light. They all have 2 coats on the swatches, and I have put on a top coat. They have such a nice finish that you actually wouldn't need a top coat, I figure. But I put on a top coat anyway. The finish is really great. It's very glossy, looks so pretty. Here we have a mauve color. This one is Pillow Talk. Pink, nude, mauve, however you want to call that. This one is also really pretty, gorgeous color. Look at that. And perfectly smooth finish. Very pretty. You have seen me put them on before, so I didn't do that the video doesn't get too long. So we just go through the swatches like that. This one is Volver, and the Volver is a dark purple eggplant color. Very pretty. Here is the swatch for that. Very nice. And then the glitter polish that I have a swatch for that, but this is actually the one where I did my nail art, so you can see it on my nails. But I have it also as an extra swatch, so you can see it also here without the nail art. It's really pretty. These polishes you can wear on a daily basis. Those are wearable colors. You can wear them to the office. Very pretty. Even the glitter here is not too much glitter in your face. It's not a holo. It's a silver glitter, very tiny glitters. And this one is called Sin City. For my nail art that I have on my nails, I used the gorgeous foil nail stickers from GLAM. Tina sent me some more stickers, and I used roses for Mother's Day. That's just perfect. And you have seen me use these stickers before. You use them with a nail foil glue. This is this little bottle here. I will use a buffer to buff the nails so the foil glue is sticking better. But there is a top coat already on the polish, so you don't really buff the polish, you just buff the top coat a little, you buff away the shine, and then the foil glue sticks a little better. And I'm gonna use a stamper for easy application of the stickers on my nails. As always, I will speed up the video while I do that, and afterwards I will show you the finished design again. Sit back, relax and enjoy, have a drink, and I'll see you afterwards. So I am finished with these gorgeous Holo Rose stickers, and as you have seen, it's really easy to do. Don't use too much foil glue. Buff the nails first so that you have a nice matte surface where you can put on the foil glue. It will stick better. Then let it dry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Put on the stickers, and it's easy to put them on with the stamper. Then press them on and then carefully remove the little clear foil on top, and you will have these gorgeous Holo Roses on your nails. I will put all the product links in the description box below for SheModern and for Madam Glam. This was the gorgeous, or this is the gorgeous Sin City polish, and it fits perfectly with the silver Holo Roses, the purple and the silver glitter. What do you think for Mother's Day easy nail art? I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any further questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to read all your comments, and I will try to answer any questions you may have. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are. Have a nice Mother's Day, and ta-ta till next time.